Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will calculate the area of ellipse by integration method. So let me draw an ellipse here. So let's call this as A dash, this as A, this is B, and this is B dash. Let's call this as O. So now we know that the equation for the ellipse can be written as x squared divided by a square plus y squared divided by b square is equal to 1. So if we solve for y can be written as b divided by a square root of a square minus x square. Now if we have to find the area of this region here, what we can do is we can integrate y from 0 to a. So the area of OAB is equal to integration of 0 to 0 to a b by a square root of a square minus x square dx, and that will be equal to b by a x square root of a square minus x square divided by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x divided by 0, and that will be equal to 0 to a. Now we can solve this equation further and write b divided by a square divided by 2 multiplied by pi by 2, and that will be equal to pi by 4 a and b. So that is the area of the one fourth the area of the ellipse. So because this is the area of the 1/4 part of the ellipse, so if you have to calculate the area of the ellipse, then we multiply this by 4. So area of ellipse is equal to pi ab. So that is our answer. Thank you.